State President juga National People's Party Meghalaya hanek sengi ka arp South Rek Unaiwing arjar arpulai ula pentip ya ka kyrtong jongki kyrtong ki banyakhun ha ke election MP Lok Sabha na ki arpli ki seat kata ke Shillong bat ka Tura ka banlong house nam arjar arpusau ha ke nek sengi na kaliang uba Preston Tensong obadai State President ke NPP ulai itu ba na Shillong constituency ka Dr. Mezel Ampareen langdo ka badairu ka MLA na is Shillong bat menteri ke Sarkar MDA 2 kan aireng na Shillong kat ba na Tura ka MP ke Bamenta ka Agatha ke sangma kandang dei biang ka kyrtong ka ban yakhon.
Let me just refresh our mind. That day when we had our first office bearers meeting, you people insisted me, hey, tell me the name of the candidate. So this evening is the day for us to declare officially the name of the candidates from both the constituencies. One is Shillong Parliamentary Constituency and number 2 is Tura Parliamentary Constituency. So I'm so happy to now declare, after getting the clearance from the Honorable National President, Shri Konrad Sama, the approval for the proposed candidatures of these two constituencies. So I'm happy to tell you that Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, it has been approved that Dr. Ampareen will be our official candidate. And number 2 from Tura Parliamentary Constituency, Mrs. Agatha sitting MP, will be our official candidate in the upcoming MP election 2024. So this is the only announcement which I would like to share with all of you. And if you have any question, you are free to ask questions. As per the Constitution of India, she does not have to do that. She will continue, and ultimately once she wins, of course, the prescription is already there where she has to vacate either one. If not MP, then MLA. If not MLA, then MP.